Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Look at my lettuce. I've got about 6 heads of lettuce in each one of these planters. And man, they are kicking out some serious lettuce. This is my food. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters and they literally grow your food for you. I'm growing lettuce with kale. I'm going to harvest the lettuce and leave the kale behind and see what happens. This is my food. I don't have to go to the supermarket. I don't have to beg, borrow, or steal for food. All of my food is right here, right before my eyes, and it's doing just fine. This is so beautiful. Look at that. I can't wait. Man, I tell you, I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. I love my food. I love my food. And so I'm going to harvest now. And because if I don't harvest, that's the reason why I'm growing, to harvest my food, to eat my food. And there's a lot of food to be eaten in my torpedo pots. These are torpedo pots, self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows everything that you could ever imagine for you. You will never have a problem with food again in your life.